kitchen and prepare a meal for them. He said, sure, chef, come on. Tell him those. Live in the flesh. And his battery's not included. Back here, I'm set. All right, I'm set. I mean, I gotta teach y'all how to make rice. What do I gotta teach y'all? Says, hey, you know what? Man, what did you put in this risotto? I don't know. I try to get the freshest ingredients I can possibly find, and I cook with them.
So what?
Is that your food is just bland and it's like raw cabbage or something? Totally not true.
You know what I mean? You're opening up that level of purity.
Expensive pain from adults about the can till they all come home. My little brother did a bid in a foster home with Mom Duke short dope. I almost lost hope in the jungle like Tarzan swinging from a rope. It was too much for me to cope, but cooking was my way out.
Hold that shit, stop that shit, roll that shit, hold that shit. You have another 10. What we doing here? It's a pop-up chef. You never know where he's gonna pop up next. We out here.